Hello, marvelous. I guess it's closing time. Yes, Kane. What is the problem? Why are you sad? Though I was in the class when the teacher was teaching, but I don't really understand her explanation. Oh, that's not a problem. Tell me what you don't understand. Gerunds after certain expressions and gerund after verb or adverb or preposition combination. Is that all? Yes. Okay, we don't have much time, so I'll discuss only gerund after certain expressions now and discuss the other one tomorrow. I'm alright with that. I really appreciate you. Okay, gerund after certain expression is used after the expressions can't stand, can't help, it's no use, or no good, etc. Examples are: I couldn't stop laughing when I was watching the film last night. I can't resist buying toy guns for my sons during Christmas. She can't stand walking in the rain. It's no use crying over split milk. It's no good disobeying one's parents. It's no use deceiving people. I can't stand suffering in silence. Bola couldn't help writing me weekly. Wow, thank you very much, I really appreciate this. It's nothing, Kane. What are friends for?
Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share.